When people think about their dream kitchen, they often imagine a wide, open space filled with light, storage, and a big island in the middle. But the truth is, many of us live in homes or apartments where the kitchen is not that big. And that is perfectly fine. A small kitchen can be just as beautiful, stylish, and practical as a large one. Sometimes even more so, because every inch has to be carefully thought out. In today's video, I'll share 13 small kitchen ideas that will help you make the most of your space while keeping it attractive and welcoming. Let's walk through these ideas one by one. Open shelving for airy feel. One of the quickest ways to open up a small kitchen is by using open shelves instead of bulky cabinets. For cabinets can sometimes make the room feel boxed in. With open shelves, the walls breathe and you instantly feel like the space is wider. Place neatly stacked dishes, glassware, or a few decorative pieces. It's both storage and style in one. The trick is to keep it tidy so the shelves don't become cluttered. Compact kitchen island. Even a small kitchen can enjoy the benefits of an island. Instead of a large, heavy one, go for a slim or movable island with shelves underneath. This way, you add a food prep area, storage, and even a quick spot for casual dining. In many of my projects, a narrow island with wheels works perfectly because it can be shifted around depending on need. Bright white palette. Color plays a huge role in how big or small a kitchen feels. White is a classic choice for compact kitchens because it reflects light and makes the room appear more open. From cabinets to tiles to countertops, layering different shades of white creates a clean, seamless look. Add natural textures like wood or stone for warmth so the space doesn't feel too cold. Pull-out pantry. Storage is often the biggest challenge in small kitchens. A pull-out pantry is a clever solution that takes advantage of slim spaces. Imagine a tall, narrow cabinet that slides out to reveal shelves for spices, dry goods, or bottles. You're using space that would otherwise go to waste, and everything stays within reach but neatly hidden away. Glass front cabinets. Glass cabinet doors are a small change with a big impact. They draw the eye inward, making the kitchen feel less confined. You can showcase your favorite dinnerware while still keeping items dust-free. To avoid a messy look, I usually suggest using them for dishes or glasses that are used every day so the cabinet always looks organized. Slim appliances. Large appliances can overwhelm a small kitchen. Today, many brands create smaller versions of stoves, fridges, and dishwashers designed for tight spaces. These are just as efficient but save valuable room for storage and countertops. In some homes, a 2-burner stove or an under-counter fridge fits better than traditional sizes. Corner storage solutions. Corners often get wasted in kitchens. Instead of leaving them empty or hard to reach, you can install carousel shelves or pull-out drawers. These allow pots, pans, and bowls to slide out smoothly. Suddenly, the awkward corner becomes one of the most practical spots in your kitchen. Light-colored backsplash. Backsplashes don't just protect walls, they also add style. In a small kitchen, a light-colored backsplash, whether subway tiles, glossy ceramics, or stone, helps bounce light around. creates depth and brightness, making the space feel open. Choosing a reflective finish enhances this effect even more. Multifunctional furniture. Every piece in a small kitchen should serve more than one purpose. For example, bar stools that slide neatly under a counter save floor space. Benches with hidden storage provide seating while holding kitchen items. These choices reduce clutter while keeping the kitchen stylish and comfortable. Vertical storage racks. Walls are often underused in kitchens. Installing vertical racks for pots, pans, or utensils frees up cabinet space. You can also hang magnetic strips for knives or hooks for mugs. These solutions are practical, stylish, and perfect for keeping items within easy reach. Bold accent wall. Small kitchens don't have to be plain. Adding a bold accent wall brings personality and charm. This could be a patterned wallpaper, colorful tiles, or even a painted wall in a rich tone. Since the space is small, a single striking feature won't overwhelm. It will energize the entire room. Two-tone cabinets. Using two different shades for upper and lower cabinets adds dimension without overwhelming the room. A darker tone on the bottom grounds the design, while a lighter tone on top draws the eye upward. This simple technique makes the kitchen look taller and more stylish. Large window or skylight. Finally, natural light is the ultimate ingredient in any kitchen. A large window or skylight not only brightens the space but also makes it feel connected to the outdoors. Even the smallest kitchens feel open and refreshing when filled with sunlight.